Ni hao, new and potential Midnapore families. My name is Melanie Bennett and I'm the proud principal of Midnapore School. Here at Midnapore School, we have two programs. We have a Mandarin Bilingual Program and a regular program. This video is for our potential Mandarin Bilingual Program families. Normally, at this time of year, we would have an open house. You'd come to our school, you'd meet our teachers, you'd see our classroom, you'd see our students' amazing work. Well, this year we have to do things a little bit differently. We've put this video together to showcase the work that's been happening at Midnapore School. If, after watching this video, you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to call or email us. Enjoy the video!
The Mandarin Bilingual Program has been part of the Calgary Board of Education for over 20 years. Due to a keen interest in the south part of Calgary, the South Mandarin Bilingual Program was launched in 2011 at Midnapore School. In 2018, the grade 5, 6, and 7 students in the Mandarin Bilingual Program moved to Harold Panabaker. So at Midnapore School, our Mandarin Bilingual Program begins at the K level, kindergarten, and continues to grade 4. In the Mandarin Bilingual Program, all students here receive 50% of their instruction in Mandarin and 50% of their instruction in English. In grades kindergarten to grade 4, students receive Mandarin instruction in math, Mandarin language arts, and science, and then English instruction in English language arts, social studies, and health. Outcomes from the Alberta Education Program of Studies are followed. Students here learn to read and write in simplified Chinese and Pinyin. Both Chinese and Canadian holidays and festivals are recognized and celebrated. We have a music specialist to teach music in English. All students participate in daily physical education. When residencies like music, dance, or active living activities become part of our school, all students participate. After-school cultural activities will begin once the COVID restrictions are lifted. For a minimal fee, students can participate in various programs such as Kung Fu, Chinese dance, or Chinese art class.
Hi, my name is Tina, a Mandarin bilingual teacher and learning leader. The program has 7 teachers and 1 school assistant. The Mandarin bilingual team is passionate about the program and the opportunities we're offering to the students. We're committed to student success and well-being. Our mission is to help students achieve academic rigor in a compassionate and collaborative learning community. We have high expectations for our students. Students are expected to learn English and Mandarin simultaneously and demonstrate proficiency in both languages through cross-curricular activities, inquiry-based projects, and cultural celebrations. 美大摩小学中英文双语课程有7名教师和1位教学助理。我们的老师们都非常热爱这个项目。我们的教学宗旨是以学生为中心，营造有爱和写作的学习环境，实现严谨教学。我们严格要求学生们在中英文双语环境，通过跨学科教学活动、专题研究、文化庆祝活动学习2种语言。
那是我的老师，那是我的朋友，那是我的妹妹。
The Mandarin Bilingual Program is designed for both native speakers and for students with no exposure to the language. Our kindergarten classes invite students to the bilingual learning environment. Students will develop their speaking and listening skills in both English and Mandarin. Students will be able to count, greet people, and share basic information about themselves in Mandarin. Students will also start to understand basic strokes, stroke orders, and learn how to write simplified Chinese characters. When students are in grade 1, they will start learning pinyin, tones, and basic sentence structures. Students will begin to read simple picture books and participate in guided writing activities. 我们的中英文双语课程既适合中文是母语的学生，也适合没有中文背景的学生。我们的起始课程从学前班开始， 小朋友们用中文学习数字、日常用语和简单对话。升入1年级以后，学生们开始学习拼音、笔顺笔画、基本句型、阅读图画书和写字。
Ready, go, 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 go. Now, how do you say big dog?
做什么？我想做医生，我想做老师，我想做演员，我想做教师。
What is this called? What is this called? Go. Someone has already guessed it.
I love the picture.
Yeah, that's right.
Our school has a very strong school council. Our school council is made up of members from both our regular and Mandarin program. Over the years, the school council has fundraised lots of money to support the school in different ways. For example, just recently, they fundraised enough money to purchase and build a creative playground. This creative playground is enjoyed by students at recess and in lunch and is one of the highlights of our school. School council has also helped to outfit almost every single one of our classrooms with Chromebooks or MacBooks, as well as hire residencies that students get to participate in throughout the year.
As they grow and progress in the program, students will be able to read, write, speak, and understand in Mandarin a variety of topics such as family, food, seasons, clothing, and everyday activities. They will learn radicals and continue to improve their character writing. Starting in grade 2, students are beginning to read longer stories, build vocabulary, and explain their needs and understanding in Mandarin. By the time they finish grade 4, students are expected to demonstrate verbal confidence, initiate and respond to questions, and be able to independently read and write simple paragraphs. They have acquired essential skills to further develop fluency in Mandarin. Once they've completed grade 4 at Midnapore School, the students will move on to middle school at Harold Panabaker, where they will experience grades 5 to 9. 进入23年级，学生们继续提高中文听说读写4个技能。学生们开始学习偏旁部首练习写字，增加词汇量和阅读能力。到4年级的时候，学生们能够用中文表达自己，提问并回答问题，阅读中文小故事，编写简单段落。当学生们在美纳博小学完成4年级中英文双语课程之后，为进一步学习中文打下良好基础。学生们可以进入 Harold Panabaker 中学5年级到9年级继续学习中文。
And what does that mean?
That means who is in your family. And this one, for me, it would be 我家有5个人，爸爸妈妈2个弟弟。
Cool. Thank you for sharing.
I know, 2个哥哥。
Okay. Let's hear what Tara Wayington, our school council chairperson and parent of a grade 3 child, has to say about Midnapore.
I honestly believe that Midnapore School is an excellent school. First, the teachers and staff at Midnapore School do an outstanding job of making students feel safe and cared for. I am consistently impressed with the feeling of family that exists at Midnapore School. All of the teachers and staff go out of their way to take care of all of the students in the school, and that is not something that you find everywhere. Second, I have observed firsthand the excellent education that all Midnapore School students receive. Both within the classroom and as a whole school, many diverse learning activities and experiences happen throughout the year. Lastly, if you are considering the Mandarin Bilingual Program, I would like to share with you what a positive experience it has been for our family. I am amazed by how much my son learns at school each day. In addition to his studies in English, he understands, speaks, writes, and reads in Mandarin. To hear him speak in Mandarin is remarkable. We do not speak Mandarin at home, and yet he has learned to speak with the correct tones and with the fluency of a native speaker. I have no idea what he is saying, but he always patiently explains it to me. I consider putting my children in the Mandarin Bilingual Program a gift to them. I believe that by learning a second language, they will have a better awareness of the world's diversity, their brain development will be stimulated, and their future job prospects will be increased. I am very happy that my son attends Midnapore School and that he is a part of the Mandarin Bilingual Program.
All right, now that you've learned about our Mandarin Bilingual Program, it's time to register. Please visit the registration page of our school website and click on the How to Register button. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call or email Ms. Stewart. She will gladly help you out. We look forward to meeting you and your child.